Hello and welcome to part 3 of my Thunderbolt re-restoration. Today we will remove the rotator clutch, continue stripping the paint off of the horn, remove the chopper tube, and much more. There we go. Careful not to cut myself here. The second side of the clutch was much more of a pain in the ass than the first one. It just wouldn't come free. Shit. Oh, fuck. I figured that trying over and over again to loosen the clutch the way I was doing it just wasn't going to work. So I took a close look at the clutch and thought about what I could be doing wrong. Without any luck, I turned to someone who has done this before, and he said to hold the back nut with a wrench while loosening the front one. Sure enough, it came off with ease. Day 3 of the restoration. Today we will be removing this side. So I have had trouble removing the clutch nuts on this side, and one person suggested that I use a wrench to hold the back nut while I try to undo the front nut. So give that a try now. Oh my god. Without any effort whatsoever, it's out. It's loose. That is so easy. It's right out. Alright, now we have another nut. Sorry, you've got to take out. That was extremely easy. That was shockingly easy. Okay. I'm gonna go get a longer socket now. I am shocked at how easy that was. Okay. Now, the back one, this could be a bit of a problem. Never mind. It's already loose. This is incredibly easy, guys. All I had to do was wait a little bit, just soak it with penetrating oils for 2 days. I used Seafoam Deep Creep and PB Blaster. Just soak it with that for 2 days, soak it once or twice a day, and hold the back nut with the wrench, and then use a socket wrench for the front nut. That is incredibly easy, guys. We've gotten this off now. So, there we go. Oops. Oh, it's loose. It's loose. Okay, now I'm gonna try to pull this out. If only it were that easy. If only I could just pull out the chopper tube. In most cases, I would have been able to do that, but with my Thunderbolt, it was a little rusty. So I looked around to see how I could get the thing free in order to pull the chopper tube out, and found nothing. So I asked the same person who gave me tips on removing the clutch what I can do about this, and he told me about the sleeve bearing, which is in the tube. It separates the stationary inner tube from the chopper tube, which rotates, and he told me that that sleeve bearing is probably rusted shut, so I would have to spray some penetrating oil on it. So that's exactly what I did. Waited a few hours and then tried again, and it came out. making progress. She's free, finally. Here, let's lay that down for a moment. There we go. All right, now that we've got that off, let's get to work on it. Put her upside down first of all. Pull this thing off. Next up, I straightened the weather cap. Apparently it took 10 hours for the guy on American Restoration to straighten the weather cap for the Thunderbolt they were restoring. Let's see if I could beat that record. Hey, we do have some metal over here, so yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get this paint off now. That just about sums it up for now. Make sure to come back to see how the stripes on the horn turn out. That'll be next week. See you guys then.